Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. I hope that you're all doing well. If you're new here, my name's Sade and I do all things home improvement and DIYs. And if you're coming back for another video, then thank you so much, it means the world. If you haven't subscribed already, please do hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you are posted about whenever all my new videos come out. So in today's video, we are going to be doing a little Amazon haul together. It is quite little, it's not too crazy. I have gone a little bit more above and beyond in the past, but I did make a couple of orders over the last few weeks, mainly home decor stuff, some things that are maybe less related to home decor, so I'm not going to show those, but I will show you all of the stuff that are to do with DIYs and really nice things that I feel like I can style in the house basically. So today was meant to be an unboxing. I'm not going to lie, I have unboxed some of these over the last few days. I say some, I've literally unboxed all of them. I could not keep my hands off these boxes. As soon as I know that I've got a delivery waiting for me, I want to tear it open. I cannot wait. Doesn't matter what I'm doing, I need to just focus my attention on that parcel. So I put them upstairs in my bedroom and I thought I won't touch these. 30 minutes later, I was unboxing them and I was just thinking, they'll not mind. They won't mind that it's not an actual unboxing, but I'll still show them what's there. So don't come for me, please. This isn't clickbait. The first thing that I bought is this. Now, this is going to seem really strange. I do have a DIY coming up soon that I'm going to do that I think you will be interested in. This is the inspiration for the video. This is a flower ball from IKEA. It's just a really nice little styling piece. I tend to just put them on top of coffee table books, bedside drawers and stuff, and it's just a little bit something different. I'm actually going to create my own ones. So I have ordered these. Now these are polystyrene balls and I've got a load of different sizes of them. These polystyrene balls were £6.99, which you might be thinking, Sade, what? It's just polystyrene. However, there are actually loads in there, meaning that you can create as many of these as you want to. The thing that I'm going to create isn't exactly the same as this. This is made of, it looks like some sort of foam that gives it the flower effect, but I'm really excited to see that. So if you want to see that DIY video, make sure that you stay tuned and you subscribe to my channel so that you'll see that in, I'll probably put that up next week. So with that comes this. This is a jumbo punch. This has also got a scalloped shaped circle in the hole punch. The idea for this is to use it on some old books and paper and stuff to create the effect that this kind of has on the outside, literally just by punching some paper and then gluing it to those polystyrene balls. Honestly, it's so simple, but I think it's going to create some really nice pieces to put around the house. And this was £10.15 on Amazon Prime. It came within like 3 days or something. I'm really excited to use this actually. I'm really excited. So as I said, stick around if you want to see that DIY because I think it's going to be something that takes under 5 minutes to do and will be relatively cheap. Okay, next up we've got something very exciting. As you can see, I have opened it. This one came today and because I was so excited for it, I had to open it. I couldn't help myself. But this is the Kelly Hoppen Design Masterclass coffee table book. Well, it's actually a book that you're meant to read. However, it is going to be something that I use for styling because it is just beautiful and the tones of it match my house so much. I did have a little flick through of this today. I'm really excited to get on and read this because there are some real top tips and tricks in this for styling. It also covers like color palettes, architecture. It's just gorgeous. Like, can you actually imagine this being your home? Every picture is obviously like the sort of room that sits in a mansion, but I mean, it's just inspirational. Oh, gorgeous. I actually can't. Oh my God. Honestly, like, this is dining table goals, dining room goals. Everything in this book just makes me so happy, but it's not just pretty pictures and things to lust over. It really does teach you different things. So yeah, I'm really excited for this. I'm going to give it a little read. I'll give you guys an update as to how I get on with it. This was around £20. I picked it up for £21.36, but when I checked today, it was actually £19.99. I'll put the links of everything that I've bought in the description bar down below, and you can just click those and shoot off and buy them yourselves if you want to, but I love this. And also it's huge, like it's really big, and if you're anything like me and you just love books for styling, then this is perfect. Okay, on to another one. One of my followers over on my Instagram, and if you don't follow me, that is _home of Sade. She bought this book and I was like, that's gorgeous. I love the look of that book. It's so gorgeous. So this is the Equus book by Tim Flanch. No, not Flanch. See, I don't even know. Tim Flatch. You can tell that I'm not really interested in horses. However, it is a really gorgeous book and it's got some really gorgeous photos. It is nice to sit and flick through because I actually really appreciate some of this photography. This book was £11.99, and for a coffee table book, for a hardback coffee table book that is just such good quality like this, and the tones of it just really match up with the sort of tones I'm going up for in the house, I thought this was a steal really. So again, I'll link this one in the description down below. Right, I'm going to do a little little bit of a cheat here because these two books that I've bought that are coming up next, I actually hadn't bought them recently, but I just wanted to show you guys and I thought you guys would appreciate it. So you've probably seen these absolutely everywhere, but this is the Decor coffee table styling book. It's got this really gorgeous grey cover, hardback of course, with silver writing on the spine, and it is so heavy. I bought this because it's nice for styling in my house. I like a quite neutral palette, and I thought that this went really well with the rest of the house. So actually I had it on my wish list for a little while, and Rob actually surprised me and got it for me for Christmas. So I loved that one. I opened it so much because I wasn't planning on getting it for myself anytime soon because my wish list is just extensive. So yeah, this would be a really nice present for other people as well if you're looking to give this to someone. They did used to do them in TK Maxx. I never really see them that often if I'm being honest, and from the times that I have seen them in TK Maxx, they've usually been a little bit more expensive, and if you get them from any other site the markup is just ridiculous. So I would always recommend getting them from Amazon. Yeah, so the retail on this is £48, but Amazon usually sell them for around 30. If you're really lucky, you will usually get them for a little bit cheaper than that as well, but yeah, that's a really good price for such a solid book. I leave the plastic on just to keep it safe because I'm just a little bit of a freak like that, but obviously you can take it off if you don't like the shine or if you just want to actually read it like a normal person would, you know. Final book, again, this is cheating a little bit, however I know that this has come onto Amazon of recent, so I didn't actually buy this book from Amazon. I actually bought this book from the White Company when it first came out. This is the For the Love of White, the White and Neutral Home book by the White Company. I'm sure you guys have seen this as well. This is another book that I have actually read, and I adore literally sitting through this. If it's like a really nice Saturday morning and I've got a cup of tea and I'm just feeling like I don't need to do anything and I've just got my feet up or something, I will sit and flick through this book. This book is goals. Like, look at this living room. This book is literally everything. Teaches you a little bit about how to style things. I just use it to steal inspiration from, if I'm honest. Like, the whites and the neutrals colours in this is exactly, oh my god. Oh, can you see this? Oh my god. Tell me you do not want that room. Tell me if someone said you can have this room, you would turn it down. I know. I paid £30 for this from the White Company, and recently I know that it's come on to Amazon for around £20. So again, I will link it in the description. Perfect book for styling, hardback. So yeah, they're my coffee table books. Love coffee table books. I'm trying to build a bit more of a collection. I've also got the Chanel black coffee table book downstairs and the Mad About the House book. The Mad About the House book is bright pink, and I do wish it was like a cream colour. However, it is a really lovely book as well, and it has taught me so much. I love reading through anything to do with interior designs, and so again, those links in the description bar for you to buy if you want to. Right, this is really off topic because this isn't from Amazon at all. However, I thought I might as well show you it because I did do a little bit of a John Lewis purchase as well the other day. They have got a huge sale on at the moment, and I picked this vase up from them because I just love circle vases at the moment. So I just picked up this vase. It's got this gorgeous bubbling texture through the centre of the vase. Obviously it's quite unique because it's not picture perfect. It's got a little bit of an off-centeredness to it, and I just think it's really, really nice. So I picked that up, and that was £8 from John Lewis. I think I paid the £2.99 for delivery as well, so really £11. It is quite diddy, but it's cute because I do have some slightly larger ones. But yeah, love this, would recommend. Anyway, back to Amazon, sorry. This is gonna be weird and you might not love this. However, stick with me, you will get my vision eventually. So I have a few bowls in the house, not like kitchen bowls. I have a few styling dishes in the house, so they tend to be quite large dishes. The one in the living room has got the 2 remote controls for the TV inside, which obviously I'm not keen on, but that's just where they tend to live. So I want to change that and I want to make them a little bit more attractive. I was on Amazon and these popped up, and I thought, you know what, I might as well try it. They're not going to stay as they are. I mean, I'm going to alter them a little bit. These are some wicker or rattan balls. Now, I've got them in this colour selection. I'm into greys and neutral colours in my house at the moment. I'm not keen on the dark brown colour. However, I know that I can just spray paint those. So you get about 15 in the pack. This one I will be changing for sure. I'm actually just going to spray this black. They were quite reasonably priced. They were £5.99 for 15 of these balls. I will be DIYing these, and I might show you on a little video that I might do some mini DIYs that I can shove all together in a video because that will be relatively simple. Okay, what else have we got? Oh, I've just remembered what's in here and I'm very excited to show you. I'm honestly so happy with this purchase, and I was a little bit like not sure, because it was £20, it was £19.99. However, I know, how cute. This is the first one. They're really good quality, actually quite large. They're both porcelain and they are this waterstone effect. The quality is so good. I'm thrilled with these, and I've checked the Amazon reviews as well, and it's like 5 out of 5 stars, and I'm not surprised why. I really like the different neck that they've got on them, and the fact that one of them is a little bit shorter than the other, so you could place them next to each other, and it's just, they're just so nice. Like, these are the perfect styling pieces, and I wish I could find more things like this on Amazon. I am going to be keeping an eye out for things like this in the future, and I will do another Amazon haul, so let me know in the comment section if you want to see that, and I will keep doing some Amazon hauls because this is gorgeous. Right, next. Okay, so next up is pampas grass. These are actually only 3 stems of pampas grass. The order that I did came with 20 stems for $8.99. I did have to wait an awfully long time to get them, so these weren't Amazon Prime, because I assume they come across from somewhere like Asia or something. I think the seller was from China. These are some really cute baby pampas grass leaves. I actually thought they were going to be a bit bigger when I ordered them, but upon reflection, pampas grass is actually really expensive. This was a bargain. So these are just 3 pieces, as I said, so you could definitely bulk more together to get a more full effect. The quality is actually really good. When you get them, I would suggest putting them between your hands and rattling them like this. It just helps to open up, like to fan out the feathers a little bit, rather than you picking at them, because they can be quite delicate, so you don't want to damage the feathers on them essentially. So yeah, I really like these, and in fact on my Instagram people went crazy for these when I put the link up, so it tends to be sold out. So if you do want to grab some, I would try and grab some now, and maybe just pop back on if it's out of stock at the moment, because it's one of the best rated sellers that I could find on Amazon, and I'm really happy with the quality of these. Okay, next up is something really simple, but something that I always get questions about on my Instagram page. So this is a black cushion. Now you actually only get the cushion cover, but you get 2 of them, but this is a plain black velvet but really soft velvet effect cushion cover. You get 2 of them for, I think it was like $9.50 or something. I will link it below. I think I did get the larger size of these, so maybe like the 50 by 50 centimeters. I actually can't remember, because again, sorry, I did buy these a little while ago, but I thought I'd put them in because people tend to really like them. I am trying to introduce some more black into my decor, because I just find it really sophisticated. It just helps to make things pop, and it just in general looks better. I'm starting to steer away from more like shiny stuff and silvery stuff, but I do still love grey. I just feel that introducing some warmth and a little pop of black in places really helps. So things like these cushion covers on my bed, I will pop in a little picture here for you to have a look, but really help. And as soon as I added these to my bed, I knew that I'd made the right decision, and people on my Instagram actually loved them and went out and ordered themselves some. So yeah, I love these. Okay, something else that I bought that is really random, but I have something in my mind. I've got a vision for it. I just need to execute that somehow. I'm not quite sure yet. This is a coral fan. So this is some coral fan, and I know it looks weird as anything, and you're probably thinking, isn't that just stuff that you put in a fish tank and let it live there, Sade? Yes, it probably is. However, I have got an idea for this, because I have seen some really elegant ways that this has been styled in home decor, and I have an idea to actually frame it and put it up on the wall, because I think it will look so stunning. I know it looks random, but I promise you I have got something in mind, and when I do that, I will of course record it and put it up as a DIY video so you guys can copy it too. And if you're interested, this is $11.99. Again, came from across seas, so it took a little bit longer to come, but it was one of the slightly cheaper ones that I found. The others were like £30 and over. Okay, that is all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I really appreciate it, and I'm feeling so happy about getting these videos out. I am going to try to upload every Tuesday, so you can put on your notification bell if you want to, and then every single Tuesday you can join me back here. But yeah, I want to say thank you guys for watching. Please do like this video and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. It also improved. This is so hard. Oh my god. How many times can you say coffee table in this video, Sade? How many times? However, that does to cover. There are some real top tricks and. Oh ho ho! What have we got here? Why is the world confusing me?